Hi everybody. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate an angle in a triangle using the sine rule. So because we're trying to work out an angle, we're going to use this formula where you can see the angles are on the numerator. So if we just draw a box around this is the formula we're going to use. So to work out angle B, we need to find an opposite pair of angle and length. And we've been given the angle of A and its opposite length of 9 centimeters. So we'll label this 9 as length A. And because we want to work out B, we'll label the opposite length little b. So now if we substitute these values into our formula, we've got the sine of angle A, so the sine of 35, over the length opposite this angle, so 9 centimeters, will equal the sine of angle B, and B is the angle we're trying to find, over its opposite length, 7.2 centimeters. So now to work out B, we need to move this denominator, this division of 7.2, to the left-hand side of the equation. So we'll multiply both sides by 7.2. So now we have 7.2 multiplied by the sine of 35 degrees over 9 centimeters will equal the sine of angle B. And we can work out this on our calculator. And this works out as 0.4589 to 4 decimal places. This is the sine of B. So now to work out B, we need to do the opposite of sine, which is arc sine. We write as sine to the negative 1. This is arc sine. And we need to do this to both sides. So then these will cancel, and we've got the arc sine. So then we've got the arc sine of 0.4589, which gives us 27.3 degrees. But we can see that this angle is clearly obtuse, and this is acute. So there must be another solution. And we can find this other solution using our sine graph. We know our first solution, 27.3, will be about here. So our other solution must be at this point. And this will be 180 minus 27.3, which gives us approximately 152.7. So this angle is 152.7 degrees. Okay? Well, thank you very much for watching. I hope you found that useful. If you did find that helpful, please like and subscribe, and you can download the full lesson and worksheet from my website, mrmathematics.com. There's a link in the description below. Thanks again, and take care.